Have you ever stopped to wonder how your body works? A fascinating question indeed. This biological marvel that we inhabit is the subject of a branch of natural science known as human physiology. It's a field that delves into the intricate functioning of our bodies, exploring various physiological activities like digestion, respiration, spermatogenesis, oogenesis, and excretion. Each of these activities occurs in a coordinated way between various organs and systems, forming a network of interactions that keep our bodies ticking. From the rhythm of our heartbeat to the processing of the food we eat, every function is a testament to the complex engineering that underlies human physiology. At the heart of this intricate system is a principle known as homeostasis. This concept underscores the fact that our bodies constantly strive to maintain equilibrium, to keep things balanced. Each system, every organ, every cell in our bodies works tirelessly to maintain its own homeostasis. It's a symphony of biological processes, each playing its part to create the harmonious music of life. But human physiology isn't just about individual systems or organs. It's a holistic field that studies the body as a whole, integrating the workings of all parts of the body, from the molecular to the cellular level. It's a field that recognizes that a slight change in the functioning of a single organ can have a ripple effect, impacting the functioning of the entire body. Human physiology also acknowledges the role of certain compounds or chemicals produced in the body, like enzymes and hormones. These biochemical agents aid in the complex process of maintaining a healthy human body, contributing their part to the grand symphony of life. In essence, human physiology is a testament to the marvel of biological engineering that our bodies represent. It's a field that continues to unravel the mysteries of the human body, demystifying the magic of life, one physiological process at a time. So, the human body is a marvel of biological engineering, with each part playing a crucial role in maintaining balance. Now, you might be wondering how all these systems work together. The answer lies in a fascinating principle of biology known as homeostasis. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment regardless of changes in external conditions. Think of it as the body's personal thermostat. It's always working behind the scenes, adjusting and readjusting to keep everything in balance. Now let's take a closer look at how this works. Our body is made up of millions of cells that come together to form tissues. These tissues then align to make up organs, and these organs further group to form systems. Each of these levels, from the microscopic cells to the larger systems, contributes to homeostasis. For instance, consider the circulatory system. Its primary function is to transport oxygen, nutrients and waste products between different parts of the body. Now, if there's a disruption, say a blocked artery, the system's efficiency is compromised. The cells in the affected area might not get enough oxygen or nutrients, which can lead to cell death. This single change in one part of the body can have a ripple effect, impacting the overall health of the individual. Similarly, the respiratory system, which supplies oxygen and expels carbon dioxide, works closely with the circulatory system. A problem in one can affect the other, demonstrating the interconnected nature of our body systems. Hormones and enzymes, those tiny chemical messengers, also play a vital role in maintaining homeostasis. They regulate everything from our metabolism to our mood. A deficiency or excess of these chemicals can throw the body's balance off, leading to various disorders. But it's not just about the individual parts. It's about how these parts work together, constantly communicating and coordinating to keep us alive and well. When one part stumbles, the others step in to help, proving that the body is more than just the sum of its parts. Therefore, the body is a complex network of systems working together to create the miracle we call life. So, how does the shape and structure of our body parts influence their function? This question leads us into the fascinating relationship between anatomy and physiology. In the grand theater of the human body, Anatomy and physiology are like two sides of the same coin. Anatomy, the study of the body structure, provides the blueprint. It tells us about the physical attributes of organs and tissues, their locations, and how they are interconnected. On the other hand, physiology, the study of body functions, breathes life into this blueprint. It describes how these structures work, both individually and in harmony with each other, to keep us alive and well. For instance, consider the heart, a marvel of anatomical design. Its muscular walls are engineered to pump blood throughout our bodies. The heart's unique structure, with its 4 chambers and valves, ensures that oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood are kept separate, a necessity for efficient circulation. Now let's bring in physiology. The heart contracts and relaxes in a rhythmic cycle, a process we know as the heartbeat. This physiological function is made possible because of the heart's anatomical design. It's a beautiful dance, isn't it? The way our body's structure and its functions are so intricately linked. Each organ, each tissue has a specific form designed to fulfill a specific function. In essence, our body's structure and function are intimately connected, each influencing the other. Did you know that we are not alone in our bodies and that our surroundings influence us more than we think? Let's dive into how human physiology is interrelated with clinical medicine and microbiology. Picture a bustling city within us, teeming with different microorganisms, each with their unique roles. For instance, consider bacteria in our gut. These tiny residents produce acids and other enzymes that aid in digestion, turning the food we eat into nutrients our body can utilize. But it's not just about what's inside us, it's also about what's around us. Our bodies are like finely tuned instruments, sensitive to changes in environmental factors. A sweltering summer day might result in increased sweating, a response to cool the body down and maintain a stable internal temperature. When we ascend to high altitudes, our bodies produce more red blood cells to compensate for the lower oxygen levels, ensuring our tissues get the oxygen they need. These examples highlight how our physiology is a dynamic process, constantly adapting to maintain a balance, a state known as homeostasis. It's a ceaseless dance of adjustments, all to keep us functioning optimally. So we are more than just ourselves. We are complex ecosystems living in symbiosis with various microorganisms and perpetually influenced by our environment. We are constantly evolving, constantly adapting to maintain homeostasis.